Joshua, what are you doing? Are you building a sandcastle?
Back it down.
In Daddy's cup? Because you don't have any sand toys. Ellie, you want to go help Joshua? You're getting tired. You gonna go help? Let's see it, Joshua. Turn it over. Good job, Ella. Hi. Look at that tushy. Look at that tushy. Yeah, you. We have to go back to the house soon. Oh, you're picking up all the shovels? You gonna put them in the bucket? Go ahead. It doesn't... Since when? You weren't even using it. Ella, can Joshua use that shovel? Oh, Daddy's digging a little moat. Ella, where are you going? Here, Joshua, you want this one? Ella. Ella, can Joshua use that shovel and you use this one, please? She's not listening. Surprise, surprise. Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mommy. See you later. I'll go get it, don't worry. Jump! Whoa! Okay, bye-bye.